Fine, this is ninth problem. Let us start solving this. Right, the question is, they have given, it is in the standard form of, right, how much? Let us check out here. This is going to be unit, right, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, so 80 lakh, 9,000 they have given. Right, again let us check out here. Unit 10, right, 100,000, right, 10,000, lakh, 4 lakh and 800 plus 6 they have given. So we need to find out which is the number, right? Let us check out here. So let me write down that, right, what they have given here is, so let me place it in a place value table, right? This is going to be unit, right, then tens, right, then what, hundreds, right, hundreds, right, then thousand, right, 10,000, right, then lakh, right, 10 lakh, then a crore, right, will come like this. So let me place it here 6, right, this is unit, right, here 3 numbers are there, so that's what it is going to be. 3 digits are there, that's what going to be. It is going to be 100, that is going to be 8, right, then this is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, right, 4, right, and as well as this is 1,000, right, 9,000, so 9, right, then this is going to be unit tens, 100,000, 10,000, right, lakh, 10 lakh, right, 8. So the answer will be, so 10,000 there is no number, so here no digit is there, right, so the answer is going to be 8409,806, which means 84,09,806. The option A is the right one here.